Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a super easy and budget-friendly DIY. We are going to make an adorable floral centerpiece using only Dollar Tree items. So the first thing we're going to do is check out the garden section. Some people start picking out flowers first, but we're going to pick out our container. There's so many different types to choose from. You can use a glass vase or a basket. You can even use a plastic container and paint it if you want to customize it even more. This little tin bucket was so cute and it stood out to me. So I was thinking what type of flowers would look good in this. Hubby liked this tin bucket with bees on it and he thought I should get these sunflower glasses while I'm working on this project. Let's move on to the flowers. Your Dollar Tree may also have some flowers outside the store. First off, I am really surprised at the selection of flowers. These are not the fake flowers I was expecting. There's so many beautiful colors and flowers to choose from, and they are looking more realistic. Okay, here's what we're working with. We have some salmon color carnations, some pink and lilac hydrangeas, and a little baby's breath. I filled up the tin bucket with dirt left over from my garden because I didn't think my glass rocks would be enough to hold them in place. But you can use floral foam or sand or anything you have that you think would secure the flowers in place. We are doing this together because this is my first time arranging faux flowers. And I thought I would easily cut them with these pruning shears, but that didn't work too well. I kept struggling with it, so I said, let me turn this camera off and get another tool. Okay, we're gonna try some scissors, but that didn't work. I realized these Dollar Tree stems are made out of wire. So after trying a few things, I realized we should probably use some wire cutters. This made it so much easier, so make sure you have it in the beginning when you're starting your faux flower centerpieces. This is where you let your creativity flow and you just arrange the flowers in whichever placement that looks good from all sides. Since our container is kind of short and wide, I went ahead and cut the stems down pretty short so that they could just pop out of the container. These little flowers are so cute. We can use the baby's breath and some of the greenery to fill in the gaps. I love the way this is really coming together. When you have the right tools, this is an easy DIY on a budget. We just fill in the flowers on both sides of the container. Now let's check out our finished look. Oh, how adorable. Our container was $1 and we only spent about $7 on flowers. Who would have guessed we could make this beautiful centerpiece from faux flowers entirely from Dollar Tree finds? I hope this got your creative juices flowing and have some ideas for your Dollar Tree centerpiece. Remember, you can DIY too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.